Hi everyone, so we're here for the SAT question of the day for October 1st, 2011. Happy October everybody. Alright, 71% of students answered this one correctly, and it's a math question, so let's go ahead and read it. When the positive integer n is divided by 5, the remainder is 0. What is the remainder when 3n is divided by 5? Okay, so basically, when we divide n by 5, the answer is something with a remainder of 0. Okay, now another way to look at that is to write it the old-fashioned way, which is like this, back from the days when you used to do long division, to try to figure out the remainder. So there's some number in here that I get a remainder of 0. So for me, since they're not telling me what n is, I just need to basically, I need to choose a number for n. I need to pick an n. And again, the reason you can do that is because they're not telling you what it is. Alright, so what's a number that is divided by 5 evenly? I don't know, like 10. Okay, because if I were to put 5 into 10, then I would get 2, remainder 0. Now, usually you just write 2, but in this case they're telling us the remainder is 0, so that's a good example of a place where there would be a remainder of 0. Okay, so now the question is, what is the remainder when 3n is divided by 5? Okay, so instead of having to think of this conceptually or algebraically, I can just think of it in terms of arithmetic. If n is 10, then 3n is 30. So what's the remainder when 30 is divided by 5? Well, once again, 0, because 6 goes into 5 evenly. So the answer is A, 0.